Hi, this is Anna Christina. I'm working out, and I had another thought. So I have these thoughts when I'm working out. I'm sitting on my rowing machine right now, and I was thinking about earlier this week. I've been moving towards something with a project, and earlier this week I rolled it out. I rolled the opportunity out to buy the pre-release of Seeds of Hope cards, and part of what happened was I made a mistake. And in essence, I broke the link. Literally, I broke the link because the software wasn't hooked up properly. It wasn't turned on. It was created, but it wasn't turned on to be able to sell the cards and to be able to give away the free cards. And it's super frustrating because it took 2 or 3 days for me to figure that out. But what I was thinking is, sometimes we don't move. Sometimes we don't take a step because we're afraid that we're going to fail. We're afraid that we're going to look silly, because we tried something. And the fact is, when we try something, it means that we're doing something. It means that we're moving. When we quote unquote fail, it means that we tried something. When we look at failure instead of being failure and we look at it as feedback, it changes everything, doesn't it? It changes everything. So the feedback was, hey, I literally broke the link. I didn't have the right switches turned on in the software. I thought I did, but I didn't. And so I got feedback, and maybe that teaches me something for the future in a more important launch, where I want to get these incredible opportunities and products out to people. And I need to double dog, triple dog, quadruple dog check to make sure that all the links are in place and all the switches are turned on, the software switches. But the bottom line is, what I'm really thinking about is, it's not about failure. It's about getting feedback and then changing what you're doing. If you're making mistakes, it means that you at least got up off to do something. That's what it means. It doesn't mean that you're a failure. It means that you tried something. It means that you did something. It means that you are exploring and you're expanding and you're growing. This is Anna Christina sharing tools of hope with the Resilience Builders. See you in the next video.